Hello everyone, are you getting the DNS probe started error in Chrome or Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10? Or maybe you're seeing DNS probe finished bad config and your internet is not working. Don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to fix the DNS probe started error step by step. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important step. First, restart your computer. Then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. Many DNS errors are temporary and get fixed just by restarting the network devices. After restarting, check if the problem is solved. If not, follow the next step. Press Windows plus R. Type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Now double-click your active network connection. Click on Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK and close all windows. Now open your browser and try again. If you still see the DNS probe started error, go to the next step. Click on the Start menu. Type cmd. Right-click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type or copy these commands. After running all the commands, restart your computer. This will reset your network settings and fix most DNS errors in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If the problem is still not solved, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on Settings. From the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. On the right side, click on Security. Scroll down and turn off Use Secure DNS. Now restart Chrome and check again. Now your DNS probe started error or DNS probe finished bad config error should be completely fixed. If this video helped you fix DNS error in Windows 10 or Windows 11, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Comment below if your DNS problem is solved. Thanks for watching.